me the A, but a lot of you guys today filled out the C and the E. Adrian, what does the C stand for?
Cite your evidence.
Cite your evidence. And I love that Adrian was looking back at the poster to remind him, cite your evidence. We look in the book and we think, how do I know that my answer is correct? We're going to put the leaves away. So, Racketeers, you should be looking right now at your paper, question number 1. I know a couple of you guys, I borrowed your papers, and that's okay. Track the board. Racketeers, number 1, what does Dr. Smart Pig mean by, and I see the quotation marks. I know that this is when Dr. Smart Pig is talking. He says, maybe inventing a friend wasn't such a good idea after all. What does he mean by that? Why would he say, maybe inventing a friend is not a good idea? Maria, what do you think? Why would he say that? Can you start with a full sentence?
You're smart pig means he didn't like his friend.
That he didn't like his friend very much. Kalia, how did you know that he didn't like his friend? Because he ate everything. You guys just told me out loud the answer. Now we're going to write it down. Maria, she started with restating the question. Dr. Smart Pig means, what did he mean? And now I'm going to pull up a Racketeer's paper up front. Alexa, kiss your body. And check out this paper right here. Dr. Smart Pig means. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Did she restate the question? Yes, she did. Dr. Smart Pig says Porkenstein is a bad idea because he ate a lot of food. Absolutely, Kalia, same thing that you said. Let's move on and let's look at this C. How do we know that this was a mistake? How do we know that this is a mistake? I'm going to look at this paper right here, and one thing I want to point out that I love about this response, Joseph, is she says, in the text. When this person, this happens to be Suri, when Suri says in the text, she's telling me this happened in the book. In the text, he says Porkenstein is eating a lot. What are some things that Porkenstein eats? Adon, share with us, what are some things that Porkenstein eats? Pizza. Joseph. He ate the wolf. The biggest thing of all is the wolf. So Racketeers, that is your evidence. You could say he ate the pizza. He ate the wolf. He ate so many different things. I'm going to pull up another Racketeers paper. This answer is a little bit different. Remember what we said, Racketeers? Your answer can be different than someone else's as long as you cite your evidence. If you say, Miss Fahey, I read it in the book, it happened, then that's okay. What does this one say? Let's see. He shouldn't invent him because he was eating everything.